interrupt your regular broadcast schedule to bring you this emergency alert notification. Due to a fatal biological event, cicadas have been classified as dead to humans. Around 50 deaths have occurred in the past 20 minutes. The impact from the cicada's body can cause severe injury or death. The following steps will be crucial to your survival. Please seek shelter immediately. Travel by foot is extremely discouraged. If going outside is necessary, cover yourself with heavy clothing, preferably several layers. Remember to arm yourself with bug spray when going outside. Good luck to all of the survivors.